News Movement English.
Today's news headlines.
Google is facing criticism after removing 10 Indian apps from Play Store. ASHA workers on strike for many demands including salary hike. Allegation of breaking statue and others. Allegation of gang rape of Spanish woman in Dumka, Jharkhand, 3 people detained. Panic in the area due to ECL open mine collapse. Bengaluru blast suspect has been caught on CCTV walking to cafe with bomb bag.
This part of the news piece is sponsored by RICIS. Fresh CCTV footage has emerged which shows the suspect wearing a white cap and mask, carrying a shoulder bag, walking towards the cafe. Police had identified the suspect from the CCTV footage yesterday. Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar described him as a young man around 28 to 30 years old. He placed the bag near a tree adjacent to the cafe and left. After 1 hour, the blast took place. The FIR registered on the complaint by the supervisor states that the primary investigation revealed that the perpetrators planned and executed a bomb explosion to cause shoes and casualties. The FIR states Hariharan, the complaint's hotel additional manager, said that around 11 to 30 am, he saw a man who had taken the ED and left a bag in his hand at the blast site. It was found that the act was committed and a conspiracy hatched to commit a terrorist act with the intention of killing the public. According preparing the bomb, placing the bomb in the complaint's hotel and detonating the bomb, cops also recovered a timer and other part of the IED from the blast spot in the Whitefield area. Stay tuned for more news after the break.
मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है। तो कहाँ है मछलियाँ और कहाँ रखा जाए पानी? तो एक्वेरियम ही में छुपी है ये सारी कहानी। आसनसोल ग्रीन एक्वेरियम, जहाँ आपको मिलेंगी हर तरह की मछलियाँ और बेहतरीन एक्वेरियम। आपको आसनसोल ग्रीन एक्वेरियम में मिल जाएंगी हर तरह के एक्वेरियम इक्विपमेंट जैसे फिल्टर स्टोन और फिशेस की हर वैरायटी। एक ही नाम, आसनसोल ग्रीन एक्वेरियम, BNR मोड़, अपोजिट रविंद्र भवन, शॉप नंबर 22। For contact, call on 9609 77 3040.
Panic in the area due to ECL open mine collapse.
This part of the news piece is sponsored by TVS PSJ. According to Manoj Sharma from Barabani of Asansol, accident in ECL's open mine in Charanpur. Local sources said that an open cast coal mine collapsed. There is no news of any casualty. When going to the area, it was seen that a large part of the open pit coal mine had collapsed. Hearing the news, nearby residents enthusiastically went to see him. However, it is not clear whether anyone was present there when the building collapsed or not. It is known that every day many people come to this open pit coal mine area to collect coal. Therefore, according to the local residents, the collapse may have been caused by extraction of coal from open pit coal mines. Meanwhile, a fight has started between the ruling party Trinamool Congress and the opposition parties regarding this incident. The ruling party has said that the Lok Sabha election are in front. Therefore, the opposition is trying to take advantages of these incidents without confirming whether they are right or wrong. Stay tuned for more news after the break.
Please step in. Hind Cosmetic, Supermarket, First Floor, Asansol, 713301.
Products are Biotic, Garnier, Everyouth, Nivea, Sahnaz, Mammoth, O3 Professional, Lotus Professional, Patanjali, Jobis, Nature's, Men's Glow, Plum, M Caffeine, VLCC, Good Vibes, Ola, Fame, Auxilic, Radha, Sugar, Lakme, Veblen, Lotus Color, Ponds, Silk, Matrix, L'Oreal, Bella, etc.
Our contact number is 9126767709.
Allegation of gang rape of Spanish woman in Dumka, Jharkhand. 3 people detained.
This part of the news piece is sponsored by Hillview Hospital. According to Zubair Alam from Jharkhand, Hansdiha police station of Dumka, Jharkhand, a Spanish woman was gang raped in the area late on Friday 1 March. Regarding this matter, Dumka SP said that the police has registered a case on the complaint of the victim woman. Also, 3 people have been detained and the matter is being investigated, including medical examination. It is being told that the woman has come on India tour with her husband. Jarmundi Sub-Divisional Police Officer Santosh Kumar said that the incident of gang rape of the Spanish woman took place on Friday night. Apart from this, he said that the remaining information will be given later. Another officer said that on Friday night the couple had reached Dumka from Bangladesh on a bike and were going to Bihar and the Nepal at around 12 o'clock in the night. He reached Kunji Kuruma Hut before Hansdiha market. They had pitched a tent and stayed at a place called. During this time, 7 to 8 local youth gang raped the woman. The officer said that 3 arrests have been made so far, while the search for the remaining people is ongoing. Stay tuned for more news after the break.
Priya Cosmetic, near Minar Cake Shop, GT Road, Asansol 1.
আমাদের শপের নাম আসানসোল প্রিয়া কসমেটিক্স। আমাদের শপ হচ্ছে মিনার কেক শপের ভেতরে। আমাদের শপে সমস্ত রকমের কসমেটিক্স প্রোডাক্ট অ্যাভেলেবল আছে, যেমন মেবলিন, কালার বার, সুগার, ল্যাকমি, প্লাম, লোটাস, এছাড়াও সমস্ত রকম প্রফেশনাল প্রোডাক্ট অ্যাভেলেবল আছে। আর আমাদের দেখুন নাম্বার দেওয়া আছে এখানে, এই নাম্বারে কন্ট্যাক্ট করতে পারেন। আমাদের হোম ডেলিভারি প্রোভাইড করা হয়।
Our contact number 9563404288 and 8918940868.
Advocates angry over the functioning of Asansol Family Court.
This part of the news piece is sponsored by ASP. According to Wasim Khan from Asansol, Asansol Advocates of Asansol Bar Association held an important meeting today. The issue of this meeting was related to the inauguration of the family court in Asansol Court on 23rd. Advocates expressed great anger over its system. Asansol Court Bar Association President Rajesh alias Banti Tiwari and Secretary Bani Kumar Mandal, Senior Advocate and former President were Amitabh Mukhopadhyay, Shekhar Chandra Kundu, Tapan Chatterjee, Mani Padma Banerjee, Sanatan Dhara, Sayantan Mukherjee, Shantanu Banerjee, Anup Mukherjee, Tapan Banerjee, Supriya Hazra, etc. President of Asansol Bar Association, Rajesh Tiwari, said that the family which is in Asansol court, since the court is open, it will cause trouble not only to the lawyers but also to the common people who are hoping for justice. He said that the rules of the family court according to the law, lawyers cannot cross-examine in the court. The cases of about 15 court will come to the family court, due to which there will be around 30,000 cases in the family court. In such a situation, it will take many years for a case to be settled, due to which those seeking justice, people will have to face more problems. He said that the lawyers here also understand what problems will arise due to hasty opens of the family court. I did not come, but now gradually everything is becoming clear. That is why this meeting was cancelled today, and in the coming time a bigger movement will be organized regarding this. Stay tuned for more news after the break.
Allegation of breaking statue and others.
This part of the news piece is sponsored by Shine Academy. Let us hear what the chief of Kulti Congress Seva Dal, Mr. Manish Barnawal says.
दोस्तों, ये मूर्ति आपको पता है 10 महीने पहले ई अभिजीत आचार्य के द्वारा खंडित कर दिया गया था, तोड़ दिया गया था। आज हम लोग 10 महीने बाद इस मूर्ति को फिर से पुनर्निर्माण कर बढ़िया से बनाए हैं, और यहाँ पर हम लोग राष्ट्रीय फ्लैग, नेशनल फ्लैग, तिरंगा को लगाने के लिए एक छोटा सा वेदी भी बनाए थे, जिसको रात के अंधेरे में इसके गुंडों द्वारा तोड़ दिया गया। आप इसको बढ़िया से देख सकते हैं। पहले हम लोग का आशंका थी कि ये रात के अंधेरे में तोड़ देगा, लेकिन फिर से वही काम हुआ जो इतने दिनों से वो किसी का घर तो किसी का मूर्ति तोड़ते हुए आया है, जो आज फिर रात के अंधेरों में फिर से तोड़ दिया गया। आप खुद ही सोचिए कितने गिरे हुए व्यक्ति हैं ये भाजपा ऑफिस के सामने होशिनिया मोड़ डीशागढ़ में मूर्ति है, जहां पर मूर्ति को हम लोग फिर से रेनोवेशन करने का काम किए, और उसके बगल में राष्ट्रीय फ्लैग यानी तिरंगा लगाने के लिए हम लोग जो वेदी बनाए थे, वेदी को भी पूरा रात को तोड़ दिया गया।
Stay tuned for more news after the break.
Admissions open now at St. Christopher Mission School, run by Anglo-Indian Society affiliated to CBSE Delhi. Special features are low affordable fee structure, smart class, well-trained teachers, indoor-outdoor games, transport facility, co-curricular activities, classes from nursery to 12. It's time for your child to explore the creativity. Thank you.
Proposed non-interlocking work at Damdam Junction postponed.
This part of the news piece is sponsored by Angel. A Asansol. The planned non-interlocking work at Damdam Junction Station, scheduled from 1 March 2024 to 4 March 2024, which was earlier informed through press release, has been postponed due to unforeseen circumstances. Accordingly, normally train services will be available on those days. We are committed to ensure the safety and efficiency for our operations, and this decision has been made in the best interest of passengers. Stay tuned for more news after the break.
রেখা ম্যাচিং, সমস্ত ধরনের সব রঙের ম্যাচিং পপলিন, রুবিয়া, ফ্যান্সি ওড়না আর ফ্যান্সি ড্রেসের ম্যাটেরিয়ালের জন্য আসুন রেখা ম্যাচিংয়ে। টিপি মার্কেট, আসানসোল। ফোন নম্বর 9635640012।
Asha workers on strike for many demands including salary hike.
This part of the news piece is sponsored by B&M Coaching Center. Barabani, salary is not increasing, workload is increasing. The incentive allowance is being given in installment. The result is that I am not able to understand whether I am getting the money properly every month or not since last October. I am not getting the money properly. 105 Asha workers of Barabani block went on indefinite strike from this afternoon with similar demands. The complaint of Asha worker has been conveyed through an open letter to the Chief Minister of the state through the Chief Health Officer of West Bardhaman district. In this letter, they will stop their work definitely from the first day of February. Asha worker Rita Das said that the strike will continue until their demands are met. Stay tuned for more news after the break. Moment Study Center for English, Maths, Arts and Science Group Free Spoken English Class, Class 5 to 12. Contact CK Barnwal 9832293611 and Ankit Srivastav 9641070758. Buddha Hazra Durga Mandir, Asansol.
Asansol LED street and high mast light inaugurated in Satisa.
This part of the news piece is sponsored by SK Infocom. According to Binu Srivastav from Asansol, Adda Vice Chairman cum District Chairman of Paschim Bardhaman Trinamool and Trinamool Councillor of Ward number 58, Sanjay Nunia unveiled the plug and inaugurated it by breaking coconut while switching on the switch. We let us tell you that high mast light and LED street light was installed on the way from GT Road to Sitarampur. This has brought a lot of relief to the people who have been commuting in the dark for years. Seeing the inconvenience of the people of the area, there is an atmosphere of happiness among the people regarding this step taken from the convenience. People say that in their area there was no problem of any kind in commuting during the day. But after evening, they had to face a lot of difficulties in passing through the area in the dark on the spot. Trinamool Kulti block, many dignitaries including President Kanchan Rai, Gurmit Singh, Ashok Singh, Dharamveer Nunia, Sunil Bharti, Mahesh Bharti, Sivji from Chamber of Commerce were mainly present. Stay tuned for more news after the break.
Share and subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 956383.
Combined rolling block in Adra division.
For execution of combined rolling block in Adar division of Southeastern Railway from 4 March 2024 Monday to 10 March 2024 Sunday, the following trains will be regulated as under short termination, short organization of trains 08174/08652 Tata Asansol Barabhum Memu journey commencing on 5 March 2024, 7 March 2024 and 9 March 2024 will be short terminated at short originated from Adra. Service between Adra, Asansol, Adra will remain cancelled.
Google is facing criticism after after removing 10 Indian apps from Play Store.
Google's decision to delist some Indian apps from its Play Store has met with criticism from the founders and executives of the affected companies and also users on social media. Google has removed 10 Indian apps from its Play Store, including well-known ones like Bharat Matrimony, Jeevan Sathi, 99acres, Naukri.com and Shaadi.com. It is to be noted that Shaadi.com founders Anupam Mittal, who is also a judge on Shark Tank, said yesterday was a dark day for the Indian internet. He said Google went forward with the delisting even though legal hearings are underway at the Competition Commission of India (CCI) and the Supreme Court. InfoEdge co-founder Sanjeev Bikhchandani also protested against the move, adding that the company has been complained with Google's Play Store policies. It may be noted that several of InfoEdge's company apps such as Naukri.com, Jeevan Sathi and 99acres have been delisted. The Internet and Mobile Association of India (IAMAI), a non-profit industry body, condemned the removal of the apps and urged Google to reinstate them. IAMAI's governing council also called the delisting of apps unfair and disproportionate. Now finally it's time for the SMS of the moment. Extending one hand to help somebody has more value than joining two hands for prayer. Thanks for watching our video. If you like it, please share, subscribe video. Don't forget to push bell icon for further notification.